Good evening, class. I'm Kimo Brown, and today we're going to learn about a good cooperative Sdaie strategy that's called the corners, or sometimes called the four corners activity. This activity could be used to introduce a topic, or it could be used as an assessment. Um, Basically, what you do in this strategy is you would divide the room into 4 points. So you could put an A in one corner, a B in another corner, a C and a D, so on and so on. So basically, you would have 4 corners, kind of like in a rectangle, okay? This activity could also be used as assessment. So hypothetically, in A, you'd say everyone that thinks that the answer to this question is A, you go to section A. Everyone that thinks that the answer to the question is B will go to section B. It's also a good idea to use the four corners activity as a game. It could be a nice icebreaker to warm some people up, or it also would help lower a ELL student's affective filter and motivate them in the lesson plan because they're getting up, they're being active, and they're talking with peers. Now, teachers, you have just introduced the idea to the students, and now they're heading to their groups, okay? Everyone that agreed that they would prefer this are all like in section A, section B, or with the people that they felt that agreed with them, C and D, and so on and so on, okay? So once they're in the groups, now they're going to utilize the think, pair, share. They're going to talk amongst each other. They're going to justify why they chose this particular side or this particular stance, okay? Once you're done with this activity and everyone's complete sharing the ideas amongst each other, now the teacher can utilize a reflection. They can reflect in their journals or they can talk so amongst each other. Now we're going to go over an example of exactly how we would do this, now that you know a little bit about it. Okay, teachers. So now just what happened was we're using this activity as an icebreaker. And because I teach PE, we're going to have a PE question. What the question is what is your favorite sport? And we have 4 options here, okay? Option A was basketball. Option B is football. C is tennis, and D is track. I'm a basketball lover, so I'm here in option A now, okay? And now that we've selected our sides, I'm here talking with anyone else that has a similarity that their favorite sport's basketball. So now we're talking amongst each other, and we're talking about our experiences in basketball, why I enjoy basketball, and just basically why I prefer basketball over the other sports that we had. Now that all the students have just spoken amongst each other in their think, pair, share, and discussed all the things that they liked about their particular sport, now we're going to pull out the journals to basically have some reflection time on the activity. And in the journals, they're going to talk about why they chose what they chose and some of the good points of what the other students suggested to them during their group.